Number 11, a 3x4. So I need my x, my y, my z, my constants. So if I look at this, my first equation, I don't have it in standard form, meaning I don't have all my variables on one side together, like on number 10. So when I write out my coefficients, I have 2, 1z, and it equals -2. But my y is on the other side. So when I move it over, it becomes negative. So it'll be -1. So then this one, I'm not moving anything over across the equal sign. I'm just moving the placement. So I still have 1x, 3y, -1z, and it equals 10. And the last one, I don't have a y. I have x, and I have 2z, but this -8, my constant, needs to come over on this side. So it changed across the equal sign, so it changed sides, so it's going to change sign. So I get an 8. So I have 2, -1, 1, -2, 1, 3, -1, 10. Oh my goodness. Four. I have 2, -1, 1, -2, 1, 3, -1, 10. 1, 0, 2, 8. So I go back home. Okay, so I get some repeating decimals again. So if I go to the math menu under alpha, and I select the first one, so I just press enter, it'll give me the decimal, or the fraction form of the decimals. So I get -2/3, 5, and 13/3. Okay, so number 12, I have a word problem. So I have Shaggy, I have Fred, and Scooby. And they went out to eat. They got burgers, fries, and drinks. And then you look at cost. So Shaggy bought 3 burgers, 2 fries, and a drink, and he spent $6.45. Fred bought a burger and a drink, so no fries, for $2.65. Then Scooby ordered 7 burgers, 5 orders of fries, and 0 drinks for $11.80. So this is my matrix. So I'll put that in my calculator. Three, 2, 1, 6.45. 1, 0, 1, 2.65. 7, 5, 0, 11.8. And here it says how much does it cost, so I can have fractions. I can have decimal numbers. because we don't always deal with whole dollars. We can deal with cents. And it asked how much does a drink cost. So I had burgers, fries, drinks, and then cost. So the first number, $1.15, that would be my burgers. And then 75 cents for an order of fries. And so it's $1.50 for a drink. So my solution is $1.50 for a drink. So 13, I have a concert. And so I have a money equation. I have a ticket equation. And I have some sort of relationship. So I have adults, I have children, and I have seniors, and then I have total. So for the money, it costs $75 per ticket for adults. I have $50 for children, and I have $60 for seniors. And together, $15,225. And then it tells me that I sold 235 tickets. So I have adults, I have children, I have seniors, and I have 235 tickets. So then it tells me I have 50 fewer children than adults. So that means the difference between adults and children is 50. So I have 1, -1, 0, 50. So I have my matrix. $75, $50, $60, $15, $225, $1, $1, $1, $235, $1, -1, 0, $50. Go back home. And so I get 125 adults, 75 children, and 35 seniors. So Lisa found some change in her car. So you have a money equation. You have a coin equation. Then you have a relationship. So you have pennies, dimes, quarters, and then you have total. So for money, pennies are worth 1 cent, dimes are 10 cents, quarters are 25 cents, and somehow she came out to have $4.45. Then for the coins, she had pennies, she had dimes, she had quarters, and together somehow she ended up with 82 coins in total. The relationship says she has dimes, it's 2 more than 5 times the number of quarters. So D equals 2 plus 5Q. So I have D, I don't have P. And then since Q is on the other side, I have to move it over to become negative 5. That equals 2. So I have my matrix. So the 3x4, 0.01, 0.1, 0.25, 4.45, 1, 1, 1, 82, and then 0, 1, negative 5, 2. And so it tells me I have 50 pennies, 25 or 27 dimes, and 5 quarters.